Happy Thursday, skiers and riders. It's Michaela bringing you your Thursday, December 26th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. I hope everyone is having a wonderful holiday season and come turn the fun up a notch by taking some turns on the slopes. Today is shaping up to be a great day on the mountain. Temps will be ranging from 33 to 27 degrees with some very light winds, and the sun will be peeking through the horizon. Today we have 22 trails groomed to perfection this morning with 7 lifts spinning to the top. Come take some runs during our extended holiday hours. Wachusett Mountain will be open from 7:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. the remainder of this week. Join us tomorrow, December 27th, to ski with Princess Elsa from Frozen. She will be riding around from 11 till 12 p.m., and then pictures, dancing, and story time will be from 12 to 2 p.m. Tomorrow, we also have a NASCAR family race event from 11 to 1 p.m. Bring your family or a group of 4 to try out your skills. This weekend is loaded with fun events, so be sure to check Wachusett.com for further information. Also, our freestyle terrain park is now complete over on Hitchcock Trail. We've got some really cool features set up for all skiers and riders. Don't forget to grab your park pass before you check out. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to these tape reports. Check us out at Wachusett.com or follow our social media channels for all the latest. Happy holidays, and I will ski you on the slopes.